Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find recently uploaded videos on YouTube. So first what you're going to do here is you have to launch your YouTube application, and then here what you're going to do is you have to go to the search icon and then search that specific video that you want to watch. Let's just say typhoon. Okay, so tap this search icon at the bottom right corner. Now you will see here videos related to typhoon, but what you want is to find the recently uploaded videos on YouTube. So what you're going to do here is you have to tap these three dots and then click search filters, tap on upload date, click this arrow, and then tap last hour. After that, click apply. Now you will see this, the most recently added or uploaded video. It was uploaded 34 minutes ago. And what you're going to do here is you just have to click this one to watch the video. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.